me Spartica here with another tank video with the first 3 being knocked out. I thought it'd be good to do a tank every once in a while. Don't worry, I ain't gonna do the artillery. So, yeah. No, I don't want grass. I want that and 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 that. Okay, these are the things that you're gonna need. You're gonna need this, 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 and this and that. You don't need this. You can kill it. And so, let's go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're gonna place down 1. You go 6 from there, or 5. So go 1. Well, just from here, you wanna go this way 5. Including this, you would go 6, but not including, you would go 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay, then you go here. You go 6. And take your stone bricks and put them across. Actually, no, don't do that yet. Just do that. Put them like that. These are not all the things that you need. You need this. That's the thing you need. Put them there. Okay, now. Once you put stone nether brick stairs on the ends, you can put right there. But that's the quote of the day. Nether brick! That's the quote of the day. Nether brick! So, boom. That's the quote of the day. Fill it in with stone slabs, and put... Okay, then you're done with that layer. Okay, I know you need to put your buttons. There's tons of butts. Okay, you put your buttons on your buttons. Okay, once you're done with that, boom. You want to take your thing and put your stone brick stairs like that, and then like that, and then like that, and then like that for like with a weird gradient thingy. And then you take your green block of choice, and I need a green block of choice. I don't want lime terracotta. I want this one. Okay. Once you're done, you put these on the sides, and then you put these right here, and then go all the way back with these, and then knock out 2 right there, and then 2 right there. Ah! No! Okay, I didn't need to knock out anything. Why did I do this? I is now dumb. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Okay, now you have 2 spaces and put your oil cans, or cans of something. I don't know what the cans are made of. Okay. Just cans. Don't question. Okay. Once you're done that, put them like that, and then like that. Them bones, them dry bones, and put your green block like that. Actually, just right. Boom. Now you put your green block like that, and then a thing like that, your green block of choice like that, and then circle like that, and circle like that, wrap it around, and then take these handles right there, like that, and then put 1, 2, and 3 right there, and take a button, and then take an iron trap door, and boom. You're done. You're done. My back still hurts. So, I think this is the longest thing I've done. This is weird. I'm still kind of mad at this. The planning. Technically, this should be over there because 1, that goes there. That goes there, and then that would go there. And this would go where that is, and that would go that is. So, yeah, and then have a new branch. So have the Luva, then the Panda 3, then the Growth Detractor crap. Not swearing. And then you have the Ferdinand / Elephant. Then have... Yeah. That's all I have so far. Okay. Bye.